background edit. I'll put this video on as well, because you're gonna, if you get stuck, background edit, you have to be very careful, because you can get stuck in it, and you can go into it by accident. If I go there, edit exe, that's actually background editing program 1. But in the foreground, if you're in your memory mode, the program that you're actually running is, we go program, see that background end, and that's how you get out of it. If you ever get stuck and you can't get back to your program, or you can't get to MDI, it'll probably be that background edit that's just stuck in, and it does happen. It's probably not something you're going to use, but so to get to background edit, you're looking for this background edit button, and this background edit button, you'll see it says BG edit. So we press that button, and that takes us into background edit. And what we then have to do is input the number of the program that we want to background edit, and then once we input that number, it'll then, you press the ref exe, which means you're going to edit it as a reference. In other words, you're just going to look at it. You can nick things from it, take pieces from it and stuff like that, but you can't alter it. Now if you hit the other one, which is edtexe, that means you'll get a program that you can actually edit. So there's two uses for this. One is that you can actually edit the program that's running, but you're not going to alter it. You can just nick things from it. So if you want to copy something from it or whatever, and you can look at it, or you can actually get a new program, a different program, and just get into that program and do everything you normally would do in edit. The only thing to remember in background edit is don't hit reset to get to the head of the program. You must press rewind. You'll have a rewind button that takes you to the end of the program, and then the to the head of the program. And then the get out of jail free card is the BGN, this button here, and that gets you out of background edit and you go back to where you normally are. Once you're in background edit, you'll find things you can't do, like you can't get into MDI and things like that. You'll find it difficult to do certain things. I can't tell you exactly what they are, but you can accidentally go into it, and if you accidentally go into it, this is the button that you need to press to get you out of it. So let's just have another look at this ref exe button. Once we call that out, you'll see that the program comes up and the program's in green. This is because it's reference only and you can't actually edit it. And you can see here what happens if you try and edit it. You get this alarm. Don't be tempted to press reset when that happens, because you'll reset your program that's actually running. You always need to press cancel to clear alarms, and then you need to press rewind to get you to the head of the program if you need be. So you can see here also you can copy bits of this program, but that's really all you can do. But it is useful if you've got a program running and you want to look what's going to happen next, or what's happened previously, or whatever. So it is useful to look at the program that's running. And also, if you've got an existing program you want to copy, if you do this as a reference, you can't accidentally alter that existing program and have a collision with it or whatever. So it's a really good it's a good way to edit it, a good way to edit anyway, if you're bothered about damaging an existing program.